2021 GMC Sierra 1500. With less than 19,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver's seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, auto climate control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, auxiliary input. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.